know, what an idiot. Oh, mate, what you're doing? Alright, let's try to be smart here. Force out a mistake. Ah! Keep it on track, keep it on track. Yes guys, welcome to a brand new video, and today I am, participating in my first iRacing league ever. I've never participated in a league race before in iRacing, and I'm really excited. It's called the NXT GP iRacing competition in the BMW M2, and I've heard that the other drivers are really skilled. I'm by far one of the guys with the lowest iRating, so I have no clue if I can compete. I'll just try my best, and we'll just see if I can keep up. I was basically quite late with recording because, as you can see, I'm now currently in the qualifying, which is quite interesting because I basically had some problems with joining the session, which was really scary. Unfortunately, I was able to practice a lot before, but first I want to thank you guys a lot for the support on the previous videos. It was amazing. Like my first iRacing video got 12,000 views. The other one 2,000, and I'm really grateful for your support. You gave me a lot of tips to improve for my driving, for my settings, with the force feedback, for example. Oh, I need to still focus a little bit. So yeah, that's really interesting. So for example, I see now that my force feedback is clipping, which I need to fix quickly, and I know how to. But I'm really grateful, and I want to thank you guys for the support, and let's grow together towards the 2,000 subscribers. We're actually gaining a lot, so I'm really grateful for you. And just let's see how I can perform here in my first league race ever. Oh, and I forgot to say one thing. It's probably gonna be a little bit different than the previous videos because I want to be really focused, perform the best I can. So I might talk a little bit less, and we'll see. Just take you into my qualifying laps, and let's see if we can set a good lap time around here.
Okay, here comes your first timed lap.
Not good. Missed the apex a little bit there. That's not really good, but it's okay so far. Let's see. Scary. I think it's a decent banker lap, but a lot of room for improvement. So let's see what time we get. Okay, that's quite fine. Ah. Okay, that's good. A little bit of sliding there. Not that optimal. Here we can be faster. We just made a mistake. Ah, no. No. Let's stay focused. come on. Let's see if we can still improve. Oh, it's gonna be close. I was not that good the last corner. But it's gonna be a 146, which is oh no, barely. Oh no, 147.0 is my PB.
It's over.
So I was hoping to reach the 146, but actually I'm quite happy because I equaled my PB and improved it like with a tiny margin. So it looks like I qualified 11th if I'm looking to the relatives, and we're with 18 cars, so that will be quite okay. So yeah, let's see if we can, if we qualified 11, because I first have to see, of course. Maybe someone's still qualifying. And let's see if you can reach a top 10, guys. And yeah, I'm really excited and nervous as well, so let's see. Okay, guys, well, that was probably the first debut of my life in a league race. I made a mistake because I'm used to the Mazda MX-5 Cup where you can hold a clutch and then release it when you start, but you can't do that in this car apparently. I just found out. So that's so stupid. And yeah, I got a jump start and then I ruined it speeding the pits. You probably see some clips now, but it's not good. Oh,
Green, green, green. They're showing us the black flag. You jumped the start. You have
oh
to drive
my
through
god.
the pits without stopping.
Oh, that's such a shame. I jumped the start and I don't want to kill this guy
Right
here.
side.
What? I hold a clutch.
Still
I
there.
don't know what happened. Apparently you can't do that with his car.
Right side.
Mate, oh my... Oh, you...
Clear.
This guy is... Stupid, mate. There was no gap there. Oh my god. I'm so stupid. I am so stupid. Are you kidding me? But I still, yeah, drove the race. I ended up 14th or 15th, I think. I think 14th. So yeah, it's fine. I think we have more knowledge now for the next race, and we'll just try to get the most out of this next race. Please forget this first race, and let's enjoy this second race, because every weekend has 2 races, so we have a second chance. Let's try to improve. We got quite some opportunities to just test some things, test some new lines, so I think it's great, and we'll just try to see what we can do in this second race, and let's, yeah, I think that's my debut. I forget about the first one. Okay guys, we are gridded and we're here for our qualifying position, the 13th position. I don't want to have such a bad race as the first one. So let's just see. My force feedback is clipping, by the way, which is really weird because I adjusted it to the auto settings and I listened to your feedback lately, but somehow it's still flipping, so sorry for that. Oh, okay, let's focus.
Green, green, green.
Alright, this time without a jump start. Let's get into the race. Let's brake early because I don't want to kill someone. Let's try to go around the outside a little bit.
There's an incident behind.
Oh,
Left side.
mate, what
Clear
you're
on the
doing? Oh, that was scary.
left. Car on your left. Clear on the left.
I'll stay behind because it doesn't really make sense to try something here. Oh,
Car on your left.
yeah, this
Clear.
guy is sending it
The
all.
next car's the
What an
leader.
idiot. That guy there is the most stupidest driver I've ever seen. Risking it all in turn 1 and basically taking
Car right.
2 cars out.
Bye bye.
Oh my god, look what he's doing.
Go left.
What an idiot. Such weird actions. He took out 3 cars. What the hell? Well, let's not try to do anything stupid here and brake early. Because yeah, it's a long race and we gotta be smart. Oh no, the idiot is coming after me. I really need to avoid him because he's doing such weird stuff. Okay, let's lock in. We survived the first lap. It was chaotic, but let's see what we can do from here. Oh mate, that's so scary. Braked really early there. Let's just try to stay consistent. And now we should be able to overtake this guy. Right? Really? Oh. Okay. Let's try to outbrake him, but let's try to not do anything stupid. Yeah,
You're in the top 10.
I'm in the top 10. Look, he did something stupid.
Car
I
on
knew
your
he
left.
would probably outbrake
Clear.
himself. Oh wow, screen freeze. Scary. And let's try if we can keep up with this group in front of me. They are battling, so it should provide an opportunity to get close. And I hope the two cars behind me will battle too. So I have some space. But I gotta stay focused because this is not what I want.
There's an incident behind.
Oh, they went off. Wouldn't surprise me if it was the same guy that ruined everything for the other drivers.
Car stops on the left.
Oh no, there's an incident I think. I heard
You
some
got a
cars.
slow car on the left.
Whoa, okay. It could be a back marker. Don't do it.
Right side. Still there.
Let's see what he'll do.
Clear.
Mate, what are you
Right
doing, man?
side. Clear on the right.
Okay, mate, sure. I didn't really know what happened there, but okay. We can just try to scare him now. See if he makes any mistakes. And we gotta stay consistent, but I think he's faster, but he just made a mistake. But it doesn't mean we can catch up. I have a feeling that the guys in front of me are faster though, because it's hard to keep up. And they are battling, and even then I can't keep up, but just let's see what we can do.
You're losing on the car in front. The gap is 1.5 seconds.
I think it's fine, because he can just basically battle with the guys in front because he's faster and provide me the opportunity to get close. I think I got damage or something. Or I don't know, maybe I overheated my tires. Car isn't really turning. That was better. Now we're close, so let's try to let him make a mistake or something. Oh, okay. Let's go. Let's try to do something here. Oh no, I think it's a back marker. No. If you look to the relatives, so that's gonna be important to watch out there and don't do anything stupid. And I hope he recognizes that he gotta let me go. But we'll just see about that. Interesting. I thought our line was way better there, but I think it was a little bit too late on throttle. Let's try to
The
get
car
on
in
slipstream.
P1 just set the fastest lap. 46.3.
Let's see, is the back marker? Couldn't check it, but I think it is because he braked really early here. Yeah, it's a back marker. Oh, that sucks, because he doesn't let me go. And I don't want to take any risk because I'm now in the top 10. Alright, let's try to be smart here. Force out a mistake. But I don't want to lose too much time. Please let me go, mate. We gotta be extra careful because he's a back marker. So, yeah, like things like
Left
that.
side,
Oh man,
left.
it's always scary to overtake back markers. And we are 2.3 seconds away from the guy in front, so we can definitely try to get a position. Maybe he makes a mistake, or we can just consistently try to get closer to him. I think I'm faster than the guy in front, but the guy behind me is faster than me. So we gotta be smart here. Ah! Keep it on track, keep it on track. Okay, it's a shame, but it's fine. Now let's focus, let them battle. I had a little bit too much entry speed on Skyflock there, which made the car unstable. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh yeah, you can definitely feel that there's less grip because the tires are dirty. So we gotta watch out. Okay, they feel better now, so I guess it's better. The guy behind me is 4 seconds away from me. It's the same guy from the first race that was faster.
Just set the fastest lap.
So we don't have really pressure from behind, so let's focus here to try to catch them. We are 1 second away, okay. Did a lot of engine braking there. Oh, barely making it. I think he's getting nervous because he sees the delta that I'm coming closer. I'm going to fake an attack just to scare him. In the last second pullback. Sometimes this works to make them nervous. It's the last lap, guys, so it's all or nothing. Ah, that was a bit too much. Too much entry speed. Yeah, now it's over. I wanted too much. Sorry guys, I tried to push it, but...
Car stopped on the right.
Oh, what? Oh my god.
Car stopped on the right. Go left.
See, never give up. Still won a position, I think. Oh, then we're finishing top 8. Okay, that's a wise lesson for me. Never give up, because you can always win a position until you're finished. What a chaotic race. We stayed out of trouble, so that's good, but I made quite some mistakes. Work on my English. It's a shame we couldn't catch this guy, because I think we had the pace, but I was just not consistent enough or smart enough. But yeah, let's see if we can finish P8 for my first, or yeah, my second, because I ruined the first race, league race. It's good. Let's see. We're finishing.
Car stopped on the right.
Says P9 for now. P8, guys, let's
There's
go.
the flag. It's over.
I'm really happy with that. P8, guys, nice.
Great job.
Lovely. We went from P13 to P8, won 5 positions, survived the first lap, it was really scary. And yeah, it was a fun race. I think it was mostly clean, unless that dirty driver at the start. I think it's a shame he took a lot of drivers out. It's a clean league. There will be coming 4 more races, or maybe even 5, I'm not sure. And I'm really happy with his first result. Of course, the first race was a shame. But I'm always looking to improve, and I think it was a good lesson. Second race was good, consistent, improved. I'm gonna look back the footage, try to improve. If you see anything I can improve on, please feel free to share me in the comments below, because I always want to improve. And yeah, guys, I want to say again, I really appreciate your support. You're the reason I'm making these videos. I enjoy recording it, and you guys, yeah, you give fantastic feedback, a lot of support. So thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, because it helps me a lot to create more videos and grow my audience. And have a good day, and I'll see you until the next league race of the NXT GP. Ciao.